Memories don't live like people do. Welcome back to Pree Dis Survivor with Casmar. We're done up on the road in our road. We're set for 2012 progress. Now let's talk about our brand new segment, Bust a Move. Of course, this is where we're going to show you the latest dance move taking over the dancehall scene. So if you can't dance, Pree Dis. Now, Outer Space, aka Adonis, wicked dancer up on the scene, and I'm going to show you how to bust them move there. It's Bust a Move. Now remember, Bust have 14 flavors, you know. My favorite one is the purple drink. I love that grape drink. Now check this, Pree Dis.
This segment is brought to you by Bust a Move.
DJ, fresh like water, me roll out clean as my heart. Touch on the beach, girl, I scream and I talk. Over 36 BBPs, and me and kill me and angle it up. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, I don't know where I make clean. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, I don't know where I make clean. No man no watch that. When me walk with a girl, them no stop watch. Yeah, tell her the truth, every girl say me cute. Oh gosh, them a fight for me snap back. Roll out clean like this, a girl a blow monkey. Say she want do me something very romantic. From inna the ghetto when we broke like dog, every day I this we practice. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, I don't know where I make clean. Clean up, clean up.
Alright, so we're on Washington Boulevard right next to Corville, and it's all about the party one named Sweet Escape. Of course, it took place at the Police Officers Club. Yeah, man, that was the venue. The vibes are nice, you know, so we want you to check it out right here on Pree Dis because we got the new. We have the highlights. Pree Dis.
We're Rough Rider ladies, and you're watching Pree Dis.
Alright, so we're at Sweet Escape right now on the party model. We caught up with the Rough Rider ladies, and she's Simone. So what's going on, Simone? Everything alright?
Hey! The party's shot, the party's hot.
I'm having fun, makeup sweat off. I look like a hot mess right now.
So party nice then?
Party turn up.
And now talk to us, why should people use Rough Rider condoms versus other condoms out there?
Rough Rider condom has a special studs on it that it gives you more pleasure. Probably the guy where not really have it, but Rough Rider make it turn up.
And one of the party nice or the party flop. Now talk about the party, what's been going for you so far?
The party is shell really. If you're not here, you're missing out on something. Something.
And so much people here and everybody take off your clothes, I want.
I don't know, maybe I'm hot.
Party shot, my lord, I swear.
How much traffic you can? You sound like you're first and now still, you know.
My first time I come down, my first time I forward.
You ready for that party? Will you come back next year?
Of course. When I do next year, I'm not going to see this.
The music and the vibes just turn up. It's turn up. I'm not tell like a shot. It's a shot like an M60.
Ladies and beautiful, beautiful. Party mad.
So I'm making this time to come out Sweet Escape tonight versus every other party we're going on this too.
Boy, Sweet Escape are the best party right now.
When the rhythm jump, we're just party mad. When the rhythm jump, everybody a shuffle. Everybody start shuffle. Start shuffle.
No boy no bother down way. Step on me can and say, run up for dance and fancy. On a bag of long talking. Something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something. And a bag of long talking. Feet no, just do something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something. And a bag of leg tracing. Hey, hey. Conscience me name but me not have none. This me and you find out if South man them have guns.
What the real hot skull them what they are. What the fryer them the shit
This is what me do. When me down them not my phone. This is what me do. When them get my head confused.
Me no matter if you block up on my artist. Me no business where nobody wants it.
And that's it for Pree Dis this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember to keep it locked right here. Same time, same place. Of course, before we leave, I have to tell you guys a Happy New Year. And live a prosperous one this year. I want to big up Flow TV in Jamaica, KREM TV Belize, Karib Cable, Antigua and Barbuda, and of course the rest of the Caribbean Tempo networks. Right now in moments like this, I'm going to take a bus. So see you guys next week. It's Pree Dis. Mad. Can't hold it. God.
The only man she want, yeah. She cheap, say him a go cheap, say she a go weep, say him a go beat, but me